morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I basically want to show you guys if you guys have this issue, because I met a guy and he basically told me that his seats for his Avalon is not reclining or coming back up no more. So I checked it out, and this is why. It's not connected. It's not connected. Usually when you pull right here, that will release it and it will make the seat comes up a little bit, and also when you push it back, it'll go back. So that right there is not connected to that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it done. See, if I pull it up, it's not coming up at all. All right, so first you gotta move the headrest, completely move the headrest. Right there, you're gonna need a flat head like this right here. Like, you know, need a flat head, and it's gonna be a 12mm behind there. Be careful you don't break it. You know, you don't want to break it. So it's a 12mm. You're gonna need, if you have an impact, I mean, do what you gotta do. They do have a smaller one, a smaller ratchet that will work as well, but hit it with an impact. Make sure you don't lose that 12mm. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop it in the door right there. So I'm gonna do my best to line it up and connect it. And yeah, it I'm not gonna say it's easy. It looks easy, but just take your time and don't rush. I gotta go on the other side, and I gotta try my best to connect it. All right, let me give you a close look and up close and personal look. So I line it up, and when you line it up, make sure this is pulled down. When it pulls down, and when you line it up, when you connect it, you push it up. You feel me? You push it up and you drop. You make sure. I line it up by grabbing it. I've seen some people use like a wire, like a old hanger, and line it up. What I'm talking about is supposed to go down like this, and when you line it up, it's supposed to catch, and then you push it up, and then once you push it up, once it's locked in, you tighten it up with the 12mm, tighten it back up. So what I did, I basically pull this one to the front, put my hands back here. I feel it, you know, I can't really show it on the camera like that, but I lined it back up and make sure it's connected. Make sure it's even. Show you the trick that I did. I put a piece of paper, as you can see. I don't know if you guys could see, but I put a paper there to hold it up. See it? The paper right there. That's what I used to hold it up. So it's up like in an angle. And then I just take my time and just line it up. Now once it catch, it's gonna show just like this once it's catch, and I'm gonna just put some force on it. I'm gonna put some force on it and lift that lever up, pull it up while pushing on it, so it could go back. Okay, so since it go back and it's in place, that's when I'm going to use the 12mm and lock it in properly. Then I could hit it with the impact. See how easy that was? So if you can't get it, if you're fighting with it, I say just do that same trick that I did. Use a piece of paper to hold it up, line it up, and I said make sure this is down, and once it lock into place, it's gonna come back up. It's gonna come back up once it's locked into place. And just hit it with the impact. So Let's hit it with the impact right now. That should be good. And now I could basically pull it up, come up really good. And to push it back, of course, you gotta use force. You gotta lift it up and push it back. Alright guys, so basically follow the same procedure, do the same step that I did with the first side, do it with the second side. Make sure you just fold the paper, put it underneath that metal piece to hold it up, and just take your time and line it up. Don't kill yourself. Take your time and line it up, and once you line it up, once it catch that silver piece, that silver metal will go up and it will lock into place. And you just take the 12mm bolt, take your time and just screw it in, hold up the lever or the lever, whatever you want to call it, hold it up, hold up the lever, then push the seat back and it should be locked into place. Take the impact it. After you finish impact it, pull up the lever again. Once that seat comes up, you know you're good to go. It's locked into place properly. But anyways, let's get back to the video, and then I'm show you how to just basically finish it up, how to put back in everything and put back in the headrest and everything. Let's get into it. Alright guys, time to put everything back. It's like this. You guys can see, like so. It's pretty easy. Just drop it in just like that, and that's back to normal. And do the same thing with this one. I should have this one in the door. Where you at? Where you at? What did I do with it? There you go. There it is. Just make sure you don't break it. You know, it's not no big deal if you break it or not. But I'm just saying, just be careful while putting it in. This one, just like so. Then you just put back in the headrest. I need to wipe the seats down when I'm done, basically. Just like so. You know, just make sure you press that button and hold it down and bring it down. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you guys. This will work for 2005 all the way to 2012 model Toyota Avalon if your back seat is not reclining, or when you pull that lever up, the seat comes up. The back seat, it's the back seat. So remember that, guys. So it's easy, it just takes time. You could use the trick that I did. Just fold that paper and just fold it in like fours or something. Just fold it up and just put it underneath that metal piece at the back, so it could hang at a certain height. And just take your time, you know, it's no rush. Take your time until you get it connected. And once you connect it, that metal piece is gonna go back up. Once you pull it down, it's gonna go back up. Once it's connected, you take that 12mm bolt, hand tight it first before you impact it, and then you impact it. Well, before you impact it, just pull the lever up, push it back, and then you impact it, and then you test it out. You pull the lever, it's going to come forward. You pull the lever up and you push back the seat, it's going to recline back. It's an easy and simple fix. I know, hey, those cars run for a long time. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of 2005 to 2012 Avalons on the road. And as I said earlier in the video, I saw this guy. He asked me if my back seat still reclines and everything. I was like, yeah. I was like, you having that issue? He was like, yeah, his stopped working, whatever. But the thing about it, I know the reason why it stopped working. It basically, whoever changed his shocks, they did a quick job. You know, they rushed the job. Nothing is wrong with the shocks, but to put back the seat, because to get that job done, you have to remove the seats to get to the shock at the top on the side. Get those bolts open. But anyways, I show him and I let him know, like, yo, I'm gonna make a video just to show you. So, you know, he might watch it, whatever. He subscribed to my YouTube channel and everything, so yeah. But I show him, I was like, yo, it's basically this. What you could do, take a paper, because sometimes they do give you a hard time. use a paper to hold it up, because you're not going to get it click in without the paper holding it up. Some people do use like a iron hanger, a wire hanger, to like hold it up. They have videos on that as well too on this platform. But me, I go my route, which is, to me, it's easier. You just fold up paper that you don't need, put it underneath that metal piece so it could hold up, like it could basically mount up in its position. So when you push the seat back, that metal piece would click in, and then you just use the 12mm bolt, hand tighten it, then you could hit it with an impact. Now, if you don't have an impact, you could use a normal wrench and ratchet to just tighten it up. Easy and simple fix. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. Hope that I helped somebody out there who needed this video. Piece of cake. That's how you fix the problem. Peace.